So this is a fish catching system set up by my brothers. I have come to their house because it was raining heavily past 2 days and they are catching fish from the small river, and they have this setup with bamboos and fishing net. You have to keep it for some time and then pull it up like that.
गाइस ये लोग देख सकते हो, हम यहाँ पर मछली पकड़ रहे हैं।
क्या पकड़ रहा है?
मछली। वो देखो मछली।
And then you have to again pull it up and stretch all the nets to get the fish out of the net. And if you see, there are some small little fish. They are very tasty, and we got this within maybe half an hour time.